Good day everyone, and welcome back to DX Explorer for another video. A very special one this time because it's one of the last 3 videos that I'm going to post until New Year. And I'm warning you, I'm not going to build anything in this video. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for sticking around for the past 3 years. So big thank you for watching the videos, for subscribing to the YouTube channel, for the likes, for the dislikes, for all the comments, for all the nice messages and emails that I received from you. For the messages and photos you send me on Instagram, and of course to those of you coming to visit the blog and read the articles, thank you as well. And of course I have to say thank you to all the sponsors and the collaborators of the YouTube channel, the DX Explorer, and of course the blog. I received some really nice presents from you guys, and we'll talk about this in just a little bit. Right now I'm trying to somehow squeeze 3 videos in one, just because I have a limited time to make videos. And right now I'm going to talk about my visit to Raw Waves, because a couple of weeks ago, finally after 2 years of planning, imagine I just could not have a weekend off to go have a visit. And when I had a weekend off, I just went to sleep because I was too tired. But anyway, it happened finally, and I managed to visit their workshop or lab, you can call it anyway. We had a blast. I started talking to Andre, Yankee Oscar 6 Tango Juliet Juliet, about different projects, radio projects and stuff like that, you know, stuff related to the amateur radio hobby. And of course we started chatting about the things we used to build when we were kids. And Jesus, it was just like 2 little kids talking about toys. Really wonderful time. They're wonderful people, and with this occasion I have to say hello to the other Andre as well. There are 2 Andres behind Raw Waves, wonderful people, really good guys. And of course I have to say hello to Colleen, the editor of the radio magazine. It's another project that I'm working with together with them. And it's been a wonderful journey. We already launched number 4. This is for the Romanian subscribers mostly, because the magazine right now it's in Romanian only. Probably at some point later on in the future we might make it available in English, but it's not a promise, we don't know for sure. But anyway, it's been a wonderful journey, and I'm really happy that somehow with this hobby I managed to have this feeling that I have a big happy family all around the world, and that is thanks to you all. And somehow I picked hobbies that help me meet wonderful people. So I'm into photography, amateur radio and sailing, and they all connected together. And you will see this probably maybe in a year or 2, or who knows when, but I hope maybe in the next 2 years, when I will go back and move again on a sailboat and start sailing around the world alone. And then you will see why all these hobbies match so well together. And anyway, this is another Christmas dream. We'll leave it for the next year or the next 2 years. We'll see how things go. Even though I will continue making videos even when I will be on the boat, because it's a nice hobby that you can have anywhere you are. So anyway, talking about presents, my friend Hendrik sent me an early Christmas present. He knows that I like to build. I wanted to build a kit, so he sent me a faceplate of one of the crystal radios, a hit kit, CR1 crystal radio. And now I'm giving you a sneak peek, but this is one of the projects that I might work on between Christmas and New Year. I wanted to go back into my childhood and build a very simple receiver, just as a nice memory to have, since I don't have anything left from my childhood, from the stuff that I used to build back then. Probably I might have a project or 2. I'm gonna go up in the attic and search for them, see if I can find them. I might have a little piece of the very first Sputnik region receiver that I built, the original design. So I will try to find that and show you. But anyway, if I don't, well, I'm going to start working on this one. So big thank you, Hendrik, for the nice present. I might be late with your presents because I don't have time to work on them. It's crazy busy time for me right now. Probably we're going to talk about this later on at some point, but anyway, I received some really nice presents from my friends at PCB Way. Here's a nice pillow resting for the neck. Probably, who knows, maybe one day when I'll fly with the plane, either on the boat or to China to visit PCB Way, who knows. And a nice pillow. This is wonderful. Talking about boats, I'm going to steal this idea and use it on my boat, because on the boat, as you know, you have a limited space, and this pillow, it also transforms in the nice blanket. And it's a good idea if you're into sailing and you have limited space on the boat. This is great. In the daytime you have little pillows, in the nighttime you have blankets. Wonderful idea, and I love it. I also received a big I call it coffee mug because it's coffee that I drink. This is so big that it will last me for one entire day of coffee drinking. So thank you. I really appreciate this one. It's amazing. And of course I received some nice postcards and a bunch of other things which I already use here on the desk. A mouse pad and some stuff, and of course a nice postcard, Christmas card from my friends at Kaiwitz with some wonderful notes on the back, so thank you so much for this. And from Kaiwitz I also received some nice keychains. My sister loved this. I have a bunch of Christmas stickers from PCB Way and some Christmas decorations which I'm already hanging here in the back, and a nice t-shirt from my friends at Kaiwitz, and with a nice message on the back. What says, as the Kaiwitz are #1 essential for every craftsman. And it's true, because they're really good tools. I really enjoyed them. And I have this kind of flag thingy. This is really nice as well. And a nice Christmas backpack that I really like. My sister likes this one. And yeah, very nice presents. I have a bunch of other presents that I received from my friends at Rawways, from Andre, but we're going to talk about those in future videos, because I might make separate videos about projects that I'm working with from those presents, so you will see them anyway in other videos. I don't want to take much of your time right now. So of course, right now at the end, all I want to say is to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And to those of you who are celebrating New Year and Christmas a little bit later on, I will say this in advance to you as well. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. And all I can wish is for you to have a wonderful 2024. And I hope all your wishes will come true. So greetings to you, to your families, and I hope we'll see you in the next year, all good and healthy. Thank you one more time for watching all the videos. Thank you for subscribing. And until next time, 73, have a wonderful rest of the week.